Hey guys, I did want to update you all on personally my favorite crypto right now, and I think that's actually going to be, as far as an actual like project and stuff, right? My favorite crypto right now is MATIC, and the basis or the premise of that is because um, I have it in a pretty good understanding that Coinbase, for their new NFT platform, they're actually going to be using the Polygon network and the MATIC crypto for payments and distribution. So if you're going to be paying or buying an NFT, you're going to be using MATIC, and the NFT platform as a whole is going to be using the Polygon blockchain or the MATIC blockchain, however you want to call it, whatever, right? Um, but I actually released the TA yesterday, and I said I am 100% bullish on MATIC running. It does look like we are officially going to be closing a bullish candle above this previous resistance of $1.89. And if you guys were part of my last TA, I basically told you guys once this gets broken, we either shoot directly up to 282, trade sideways, go up and down, zigzag, whatever. But it's almost basically a guarantee that we're headed to $2.82. There is absolutely no resistance between here, right? At least major resistance. And I think we're going to 282, and I think I want to say that I'm like 99% sure, especially after this, the trend got broken last week, the week of October 18, it got broken, it kept running up. My position in MATIC is a couple $1,000, I think almost like 10K right now. On the daily, all bullish. On the monthly, it hasn't been trading as long on Coinbase, so I don't know what the monthly looks like. That's probably on a different chart, but nothing but big bull candles right now, and I really don't think that it's going to stop anytime soon. Again, you might trade sideways, you might trade up, you might break out and go straight to 282, but I think there's like a 99% chance as of right now, we're going to 282. And if you were to buy in right now, I'm not saying you should, I've been in this for a while now, you would at least make like a 40% gain possibly in the next couple of weeks or so. And like I said, I do love MATIC. I think MATIC is one of the better projects out there, especially for crypto, and it's a very big it's a very big step forward, or a very big I forgot the word, well, whatever. It's just a very big step forward, or it's a very big implementation that Coinbase is actually using this for their NFT platform, as opposed to something like an Ethereum. And the only way, like I said, I've described this before, and it's kind of like an easy way to understand is if Ethereum is the gas, right? Then Polygon MATIC is the electricity. So that's the easiest way to understand it, right? You have very low fees, and they're extremely fast, all the transactions. And I think as far as scalability, Polygon MATIC is definitely like in the top 5 of blockchains, and I think they're doing an amazing job of growing the overall MATIC Polygon network, the blockchain, and the crypto. And I think right now it's extremely undervalued, right? I think right now it's valued like at $10 billion. I think after Coinbase implemented into their NFT platform, I think it should be valued something like 100 billion. And I can definitely see this being in the top maybe 5 crypto of market cap at least. But I think there's a lot of use case for Polygon MATIC, and I think as far as just TA goes, I do think it's going to 282. I think it's going to continue its run, but as far as fundamentals, I think if Coinbase is supporting this, and they're a heavy investor in this already, if Coinbase is supporting MATIC, there's no reason for me to not support MATIC, because this is trading on their platform. They're heavily invested in Polygon MATIC already. There's no reason for Coinbase not to keep pushing this to users and to their following and to their platform, and basically have Polygon run their whole network. So there's no reason for me to be bearish on this long term at all. I'm 100% bullish on MATIC. I always will be, as long as Coinbase supports it, which for the foreseeable future, it seems like they will always support Polygon MATIC over other crypto like Ethereum or Polkadot, or I don't know what else competes with Ethereum. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.